Today we're checking out a home that's cozy, practical, and move-in ready. It's got a great layout, welcoming spaces, and just the right touches to make it feel like home. Let's take a walk through and see what it has to offer. That's it for today's tour. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great home tours. And trust me, you'll want to see the next one. It has a feature you won't expect.